For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Metro services in Delhi will resume its operations from September 7th. However, the metro services will resume its function in a phased manner. This development came after Centre had suspended the metro rail services in the last week of March. According to Union Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs, Hardeep Singh Puri, the graded resumption of metro services will be done in 3 stages.
The graded resumption of metro services would be done line-wise with specific timings in 3 stages. In the first stage, Delhi metro services will operate in 2 shifts, 7 to 11 am and 4 to 8 pm. In phase 1, we are planning to start the yellow line from Samayapur Badli to Huda city centre.
In phase 2, the metro services will commence from September 9th, wherein Blue Line, Pink Line and Gurgaon Line will resume its operation. In phase 3, the DMRC has decided to introduce Red Line, Bahadurgarh Line and Faridabad Line. The DMRC has further issued a new set of guidelines to be followed by the passengers in the wake of the surge in COVID-19 cases. According to the standard operating procedures released by the DMRC chief Mangu Singh, masks will be mandatory for entry into all metro stations and passengers will have to wear one inside stations and in trains at all times. Kiosks will be set up outside stations where masks will be available for purchase. Entry and exit from metro stations will be restricted. All passengers entering the station will be thermally scanned. Tokens will not be allowed as they could be carriers of the virus. Passengers with smart cards will also have to use digital options for top-ups. The Delhi Metro has marked spots across the station and platform premises where passengers will be allowed to stand. All stations will be monitored through a centralized control room using CCTV cameras. If any passenger is found to violate social distancing rules, drivers will be directed to skip the station. Only 3 passengers will be allowed inside lifts and on escalators. Even Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Kumar Jain stated that protocols are formulated ahead of the resumption of metro rail services.
पूरा के ड्राई रन भी इसी लिए कर रहे हैं, पूरा प्रोटोकॉल बनाया जाएगा ताकि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पूरा पालन किया जा सके और जो लोग हैं मास्क लगाएं, हैंड क्लीनिंग, जो पूरे जो कहते हैं कोविड एप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर उसका पालन करें, उसके ऊपर पूरा ध्यान रखें। तैयारी चल रही है, जो भी हमें करना होगा। देखिएगा अंदर तो सब सीआई सबके हाथ में ही होता है, बाहर के लिए जो भी जरूरत होगी। अब ये भी है कि देखते हैं कि कितनी संख्या में लोग मेट्रो की तरफ जाते हैं, ये भी देखना होगा।
Meanwhile, the DMRC staff was seen disinfecting and cleaning the coaches of the metro rails. The security personnel were also seen taking their positions and checking machines ahead of resumption of metro services. Close to 800 Delhi Metro officials will man operations at all times. All the trains and station premises will be sanitized regularly, due to which frequency of trains will be affected initially. The metro trains will not stop at stations falling in containment zones.